Hi Pine class, I hope you're all well. It is Thursday morning and we're going to be continuing our learning of fractions in maths. And today we're going to be looking at how to plot fractions on a number line. And I'm going to show you this interactive activity as a way of helping you to understand how we might do this. So let's begin. We can think of fractions as numbers on a number line. Writing down numbers on a number line makes it easy to tell which numbers are bigger or smaller. The further to the right on the number line, the bigger the number. So this is the largest number on this number line because it's the furthest to the right. The further to the left on the number line, the smaller the number. Think about the fraction 1/4. Where do you think this number should be placed on this number line? If this is 0 and this is 1/2, where would 1/4 go? So this number line should be marked in quarters. What about 2/4? Where should this number be positioned? So if this is 1/4, that should be 2/4, 3/4, and this would be 4/4, which is the same as 1/2. So let's move the arrow to show. So we're at 0, 1/4, 2/4. This is where 2/4 should be positioned. That's also the same as a half. Let's check. Well done. What about 3/4? Where should this number be positioned? Move the arrow to where the fraction 3/4 should be positioned. So we start at 0. This is 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. That's where it should be positioned. Let's check. Fantastic, we got another one right. The number 1 can also be thought of as a fraction. As we are working with quarters, so a denominator of 4, we can think of 1 as the fraction 4/4. So 1/2 is the same as 4/4. If our number line was marked in halves, we could write 1, or 1/2, as 2/2. If our number line was marked in thirds, we could write 1 as 3/3. Now there's a final question I want you to think about today before you have a go at your task. How could you write 1 on a number line that was marked in fifths? Can you try it for yourself by drawing your own number line? So that's the question I want you to have a think about and have a go at drawing that number line before you start today's worksheet. Your worksheet will be looking at fractions on a number line, and you're going to have to fill in some missing numbers on number lines and see if you can get them all right. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you get on.